Chop suey, delicious Chinatown flavor stepped up. Pork tenderloin, savory spices, and twice fried rice. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika. Ready? Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Quarter the tenderloin and cut it into thin slices. Put the meat in a bowl. Mix the spice. Then add the soy sauce, sherry, and a generous tablespoon of the spices to the meat. Mix it thoroughly with your hands. Cover and set aside. These are the main chopped veggies. For the rice, onion and green bell pepper are diced. The green onion is sliced thin, and these for the chop suey. Ginger and garlic are minced. Celery is sliced thin, and the onion and the red and yellow bell pepper are julienned. If using fresh bamboo, julienne it thinly. Slice the shiitake mushroom caps. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a hot 12-inch oven-safe pan. Add the diced onions and green pepper, stirring until covered with the butter. Add the converted rice. Cook stirring until it absorbs the butter and just begins to take on color. Add 2 cups of the stock and evenly distribute the rice in the pan. Bring to a simmer. Cover and move to the oven for 17 minutes. Then set aside. Add 2 tablespoons oil to a second 12-inch pan over medium-high heat. Add the julienned onions and 1 teaspoon of the spices. Sauté until they begin to caramelize. Set aside in a bowl. In the same pan over medium-high heat, add 1/4 cup of peanuts or vegetable oil. As the oil gets hot, mix 1 tablespoon cornstarch into the meat. Now sauté the meat about 3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and ginger and sauté about 3 minutes more. Then add the water chestnuts, bamboo, yellow and red bell peppers, celery and shiitake. After a few minutes, stir in 2 teaspoons of the spices. Add the remaining cornstarch and mix in thoroughly. Stir in the remaining 1.5 cups of broth and bring to a simmer. Turn off the heat. Add the cooked onions and the bean sprout. Mix it very well. Now in a 10-inch skillet, heat 1.5 tablespoons oil. Whip the eggs and pour them into the hot oil. Stir in the cooked rice along with the remaining spices and green onions. Stir and shake the pan until the eggs are set. About 5 minutes. Ready to eat. Oh, this smells so good! Serve in a favorite shallow bowl with 1/2 cup of the rice and 2/3 cup chop suey over the top. This is delicious and with the seasoned rice it is a perfect pair. Be sure to make it soon and thanks for watching my video.